Hello kids, welcome back to channel 3D Learn Alphabets and Numbers. Kids colors name black color, yellow color, blue color, red color, green color and white color. Kids eye coloring ABC and 1 2 3. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids again use black color and draw E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice. Kids neither J. J for joker and use yellow color. Yellow color. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids again use yellow color and draw O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids neither R. R for rose and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for watch. X for X-ray. Z. Z for Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids neither numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. 2. The numbers of 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Kids again use red color and draw 8. 9. 10. The last numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.